Hey y'all, and welcome to my 2023 Fall and Halloween home tour. This has been a few weeks in the making, and I've went back and forth on what channel I kind of wanted to upload this on. And y'all, at the end of the day, running two channels, having too many fires burning, so to speak, was just a lot. And I know you guys really miss that variety of cooking and decorating and all the things in one place. So we're kicking it back old school, we're taking it back simple, and I feel really good about it. So welcome to my 2023 home tour. Grab you something cozy to drink and let's get started. All right, so starting out in the living room, here's a little overview. We'll get over there to the fireplace in just a second, but mainly I just bought a couple new pillows. I actually found that little ghost one at Sam's the other day. I thought it was so cute, and then I did find this pumpkin pillow. I meant to show it in my haul and totally forgot, and I think I found him at TJ Maxx. And then over on this wall, I have this candy corn wreath. I just added a velvet ribbon. I got that ribbon from Dollar Tree, and I love how it looks over there. As far as our TV stand, really simple, just a fall little ambiance going on. And then I had this really long tray that I just placed some pine cone filler in. I put a strand of fairy lights and then a bunch of these little miniature pumpkins in there. And then of course, beside our TV, I always have these lanterns, and I have my little faux flickering candles. Put those in there, really simple and really cute. As far as our coffee table, I just placed a few little things. This little pumpkin is old. I did get that candle holder back, gosh, when the spring stuff was like 90% off at the beginning of this year. And then here we are coming to the fireplace. It does look a little bit different. Darren finally added this mantle, and gosh y'all, I can't tell you how much easier it is to decorate now because I have more than just a tiny little space to work with. So I'm so happy with how that turned out. He just made it, stained it and everything. And then of course I decorated it with just a few fall and Halloween things. I told y'all I was gonna do fall and Halloween together this year, and I absolutely love how it looks together. We have this home sweet haunted home sign I placed on here, and then of course my bright orange twiggy little wreath up there, a few pumpkins, and those lanterns. They look so much better with the mantle. I just can't get over how good that looks. Now moving in to our foyer, really simple. Just have that wreath on that one side, and that Hello Fall sign we normally put on the porch, but it falls down all the time, so I thought why not just bring it in here. It looks cute in that corner. Here's the view from the opposite angle of our dining room and our foyer. I just placed a few little cute things on this little foyer table. I would like to get something different to go here, but I'm not sure what yet. I did get that mirror hanging above a few months ago at TJ Maxx, and that wreath came from Hobby Lobby. Kind of walking into our living room, we have this little accordion rack, and I love how I decorated it this year. This was just a little throw or a scarf I picked up from the Target Bullseye section a few years ago, and I just kind of tied it around like a little scarf hanging up there. Then of course we have a little basket with some pumpkins and kind of straw in there, and then my October 31st sign just to tie in that Halloween. Now let's come in to the dining room. I just placed a simple velvet kind of burnt orange runner on there, but to again tie in the Halloween, I also had this spiderweb runner. I've had it forever, and I just kind of fluffed it around my centerpiece. I got that big vase from Hobby Lobby. It's super popular, and I just placed some super cute kind of leaf twigs in there, and I just love how simple and festive that looks. Next, you'll see my buffet behind the table back there. Again, I kept it really simple. I did get those 3 candlesticks recently, kind of over spring, summer at Kirkland's, and I love those. I just have some faux candles in there, and then that little wreath I put on that mirror. I tied some ribbon on. This is how I decorated my Halloween tree this year, y'all, and I love it. I normally do like orange and purple lights and those colors of decorations, but I went with more muted this year. I did pick up both of those ribbons from Michael's, so I just tied a simple little bow on top. I did put some ribbon throughout, and then those candy corn picks I got from Dollar Tree, and then the balls I already had. So I'm loving the white lights this year. I don't know, just a good little change up. Here is the opposite view of the whole dining room. And then over here on this little table, I always love to decorate it. Of course, I have my Scentsy warmer up top. That's like one of my favorite things to pull out. One of y'all sent that to me a couple years ago, and I think of her every time I put it out, and it just makes me so excited. It's so beautiful. I put it on this little wreath or candle ring with just a couple little things over here, my little antique lamp, and then above I have my pumpkin patch sign with this little leaf garland that came from Walmart, and it just reminds me of like a little pumpkin patch with a farmhouse sitting over there on the side with a little lamp in the window. I just love how cozy this area feels. So I didn't really decorate my office or anything like that, but I did decorate this shelf that leads back to my office back here, and I just love how cozy it looks. That sign, that Happy Harvest sign, of course, came from Hobby Lobby, and then I just placed another faux candle with a little pumpkin and a little wreath on this shelf, and I just think it looks so cute. One more quick little view before I show you some of the bedrooms. I love this view right here. You can see all the rooms and the kitchen in there. Stay tuned. We are going to go into the kitchen. I'm going to show y'all the bedrooms first, and then we'll end over here in the kitchen. All right, so for the kids' room this year, I've never really decorated for Halloween or fall in their rooms, but I just thought it'd be kind of fun to kind of, you know, just make it a little festive and fun for them. So I did it one day when they were at school, so they could come home and kind of be surprised. So this is one of my daughter's rooms, and I just added a few things. I didn't go overboard in here, but I added this little trick-or-treat banner, and most of everything I added to their rooms was stuff that I already had. So of course on their TVs, we have a little ambiance, little thing on there. They actually love watching these, especially when it's time for bed. So we have the little banner, and then the little cute witch that I got from Marshall's. I ended up putting in her room because I thought she was just so cute, and I don't know, it just fits in here. And then down here on her dresser, I had these little burgundy pumpkins that I never have used. Her room is pink, so I thought I would just add a few on her dresser. And then another thing that I did for both of them, I just went and found a kind of Halloween throw that would just be fun. They could just add to their bed for the season. I got this one for her because it has the little cats on there with little touches of pink. It's kind of hard to see, but it kind of blends in a way. Still makes it fun. She, of course, loves all her Squishmallows. Let me know if you know any other kids who are obsessed with all these Squishmallows. And then, like I said, just using things that I already had. I just gave them both a couple little signs and jack-o'-lanterns. That one does light up, but I forgot to turn it on. So I just added those to her little vanity. And then it's kind of hard to see because of the window, but I had this little pom-pom banner that I just hung up on her window. So cute. And then in their bathrooms, I just did a little bit. I had a couple little extra bottle brush trees that I sat in here with her little skincare fridge. And then coming in here, I had this shower curtain in our guest bathroom last year, but I thought it'd be more fun just to let the girls use it. So I added it up here along with my little jack-o'-lantern bath rug. And then my other daughter's room, this is the blanket I got for her. It's mostly black with just some orange and white little jack-o'-lanterns. It says "'Tis the season to be spooky." Just thought that was super cute. And then this is a pillow that I already had, but I thought it matched good with that blanket, so I just added it in here. And then, of course, I added her a little jack-o'-lantern on her nightstand as well. and it does light up. And then I know the lighting is super weird. They both have those lights around the room. I have them on orange, but you can't really tell. But she has this little shelf over here, so I added this little sign block that I already had with a couple of cute little pumpkins. And then on her dresser, I just strung those jack-o'-lantern lights that I normally put on the Halloween tree. I just have them plugged in, and I thought they looked so cute. I did add a couple little pumpkins to her dresser, and of course her little ambiance thing on her TV. And then this is her vanity area. So in here I just hung this little bat banner that I got. I couldn't figure out anywhere else to put it, and then I put it in here and it worked perfectly, so I was glad that I did that. And then of course she just has a little Halloween towel and a couple extra pumpkins and a little spider like candle holder. We need to put a little candle in there. But I just think everything looks so fun with all the little Halloween touches, even in the bathroom. All right, y'all, so now we're gonna come into the kitchen, hoping I can get all this done before they get back. I placed our little Halloween wreath that I got this year. And then Darren did recently build me another stove cover or noodle board, whatever you want to call it. He did build it before we remodeled, but I didn't like it because it was so bulky because our microwave hung down so low. But now, since we don't have our microwave there, actually kind of like it. And this is just this wooden bowl that I had with these little faux candy corns. I think those came from TJ Maxx. And that's a marshmallow fireside candle in there. And then over here on this side of the kitchen, I have my little cutting board, another one of those pumpkins that are twiggy and they light up from Hobby Lobby. I love my little ghost picture. I shared that in my haul. It was from Kirkland's. And then I just kind of layered it with this sign as well that says trick or treat, smell my feet, getting something good to eat. I figured what more fitting sign than to be here in the kitchen. And then on down this way, this other cutting board that I got from Hobby Lobby. And then I just placed my little pumpkin pie candle that I got from Cracker Barrel. I placed it on a plate and inside this little glass cloche. And I just think it looks super cute. I almost wish I had one of those pumpkin pie signs with the ingredients and stuff to put over here with that, but I don't have one that I really liked, so it is what it is for now. And then over here on this side, I really didn't do too much. I have my little glass pumpkin with some little kind of fall festive Chex Mix in there. And I always love to layer these two plates. I love doing the black and white and orange in the kitchen, so I just have those. And then all I did was added a cute little pumpkin over here to this lamp. So moving on into our little breakfast area, another thing I forgot to show y'all was this table runner. I got it, I think, from TJ Maxx as well. But of course, I love the black and white buffalo check. And y'all look at these little ghost tassels on the end. I just thought that was so cute. I couldn't pass it up. So I put it here in the kitchen. And then I did have that bowl with the candle over here, but it kept making us nervous underneath these little leaves. But I love how these leaves look in here, especially in the mornings when the sun kind of floods in through these lights. It looks so pretty. Of course, all of our shelves up here. I had so much fun decorating these. That jack-o'-lantern, I think it's turned on right now, but it's hard to see. It looks so cute at night. I might have to throw in like a quick little nighttime tour sometime on another video. But I just placed a few Halloween things all in our cabinets. Some of those vintage mugs that I found last year from Ross, some Dollar Tree stuff, all different things. Here I have that jack-o'-lantern with some Halloween trees. I just placed those inside that lantern. A little rattan pumpkin as well. And then on this side, we decided to move our coffee bar over here. So of course we have our coffee maker, and we have, y'all, I forgot these things' names. If you remember, please let me know down below. I'm gonna have to go back and see. Was it George and Barbara? I don't know. But anyway, this is our festive little coffee bar. We just have some cute things and some leaves going on. And then of course, some more cute and festive things going on inside these cabinets. And y'all, that is a whole lot of Halloween and fall, if I do say so myself. So I'm gonna end this video here. Please let me know what you think. I had so much fun decorating, and I am so sorry it took me so long to get this video out to y'all, but I am excited to decorate even more and bring even more content to y'all because I know that's what y'all really want to see. You love a mix of both, and at the end of the day, so do I. So guys, I hope y'all enjoyed seeing our home for fall and Halloween. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye y'all.